Question is that why freelancers are looking for 9 to 5, how you have to grab new projects, how you have to grow your profile. If freelancer focus on, then all of these minor issues will get resolved. What is that? Sometimes when I look at people who are working 9 to 5, I simply think like they are living their life. But there are many aspects that we need to look. So if we compare 9 to 5 with the freelancers, on the freelancer side, someone from another country at midnight sending a message for a quick meeting for an update. So 9 to 5 employee cannot even imagine a midnight meeting for an update. But freelancers do this every day. Still, freelancers are looking for 9 to 5 jobs. When freelancers realize there are different things that we need to care of in the corporate sector. Like you have to pretend like you like the environment, you like your boss, you like how they are communicating with you, like the team members, the managers, how the project they are assigning to you, and you cannot even list any of the project on your freelancer profile when you are working in the corporate. So there are many limitations, and especially the office politics, which matters a lot, which matters for your performance, for your mental health, for your work progress. There are many things that are being disturbed by the office politics. So when I think about all of this in the corporate sector, then I would always prefer freelancing. Question is that why freelancers are looking for 9 to 5? Because there are some reasons, and on the very first priority it is the consistency of your pay. Like on the 9 to 5 side, you don't have to think about the project to get and which amount you have to bid on that, how you have to grab new projects, how you have to grow your profile. There are no such efforts required on the 9 to 5 side. But on the freelancer side, we have to take care of the new projects, take care of the client's behavior, take care of the submissions, the deliverables. There are many things like we have to step out, but we cannot. We have to deliver, we have to communicate with the clients on off hours even. So there are different things, but all of these issues with the freelancer, that freelancer actually think these are the issues, but these are not. There is only one thing that if freelancer focus on, then all of these minor issues will get resolved. What is that? So that is the mismanagement of the project. Like a freelancer get the project, that is good, but he cannot schedule the work. Like cannot means he don't want actually to schedule the work. He don't want to schedule their day, like when they have to start, when they have to end up your work, when they have to communicate with the client. Like they don't want to schedule the meeting with the client. Like freelancers normally communicate the update to the client when they ask the update. Otherwise freelancers don't message in normal conditions. But the freelancers that actually understand the purpose of the communication, the purpose of the management, like these are all beneficial things for a freelancer. If he manage all these scattered things, then the freelancer's side is much more comfortable than the 9 to 5. So I would recommend you, if you are working on the freelancer side, stay motivated and manage your scattered things, manage your schedules, manage your works, meetings, everything. You must have a list of tasks that you have to do today. For example, you must have a book where you have to schedule that I have to do these things today. And when you ends up on that day, you must have to note down either is anything left for today that you have to perform on the early morning or maybe on the night. So these are the things that if you focus, then you will enjoy your life. Otherwise 9 to 5 persons are actually very stressed. So you have to think about it. And let me know from which side you are. Are you a freelancer?